Hey Glam Dolls, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are fabulous today. I am finally back again after another sabbatical, basically. Well, not really a sabbatical. As I mentioned on my last video, I broke 2 of my tripods and had no way of really filming. So I finally went and bought another tripod and another ring light. So you guys are at a different angle, and this video, because it's at a different angle, it's gonna take me a little bit to get used to, but if you follow me on social media, you will know I got so many freaking goodies from Ulta, Sephora, and Morphe this last week, and I just have to start filming. Like, I have to have so many videos to get out for you guys. Today, though, in stores, finally released today, is the Abh Amrezy palette. Got my hands on it, so that is what we're starting with today. I'm going to be creating this gorgeous look since this palette was focused around like a lot of pinks and nudes, because if you know Amrezy, that's her, you know. She's very like Middle Eastern Barbie. Freaking stunning, this girl. If you don't know her, she's Norvina's best friend. So she wanted her last collaboration that she's going to be doing for a while to be done with her bestie. So I'm really excited for this one. This one, though, retails for $49, and it comes with more. It comes with a few more shadows than the other palettes. It is actually like quite a bit bigger than their average palettes, which is kind of cool. This one comes with, let me see here. This comes with 16 shadows and pigments. It also comes with glitters in this one, which is something they've never done before. They've done shimmer shadows and, you know, things like that, glittery type shadows, but these are straight up glitters. So I am so excited to play with this, you guys. So here is the palette itself. It is stunning. I expect, this is like, when I think of Amrezy, this is what I think of. They've already done one collaboration, if I'm correct with her, only one so far, which was her highlighter, which, as you guys know, if you've been here for a while, is my favorite highlighter in the world, and I wish that they would bring it back. Now, here is the inside of this gorgeous palette, and I actually love this. It might be my favorite one next to Soft Glam, strictly because there's so many neutrals in here and just a few pops of color, and there's glitters. It's like everything you need in one. There's golds, there's champagne, browns, black, everything you need to create like an everyday look. But if you want to throw a couple pops of color, it's got that as well. So I'm so glad I picked this up, because I was really debating it until I was like, you know what? I don't want to miss out. I have such FOMO, you guys. Absolutely FOMO. And I'm telling you, you don't want to miss out on this one. This is probably one of my favorites that they've come out with in a really, really long time. I did really like the Jackie Aina one. The Carly Bible one, didn't like it very much, which is why it never got, I don't think I ever featured that one on my channel. That one was a disappointment to me, but Amrezy, so I'm not going to babble on too much. We're going to go ahead. Let's jump in with some swatches, and then we're going to create this eye look right here. So let's get to it. Okay, dolls, here is the top row of swatches. My swatches are not pretty, so just yeah. Obviously, there's a lot of shimmers in this top row, and the glitters. The glitters, I want to just mention that they are a dry glitter, so you are going to need to use a base with those. Now, here is the second row, and most of the mattes are in this row, and they are all just as amazing and pigmented as usual, except that last color, Yugo. was a little not that great, but I did use it in my video and it was amazing. So you can't always judge a color by its swatch. Now, let's hop into the look using this gorgeous palette. And we are going to go ahead and start with the color OG. Let's go. Now, this color I wanted to dip in really light because ABH shadows have a tendency to be ultra pigmented, so you want to go really, really light-handed if you want to get a nice fade out. Also, they have a tendency to have fallout because they are really soft. By the way, next I'm going in with SEPHORA, which is this gorgeous violet pinky purple color, and taking that into the crease, and then I'm going to go in with Yugo to just deepen it up on the outer corner, and then whatever is left over on the brush, I am going to run that through the crease just to deepen this color up because it wasn't as dark as I thought. So now I'm going back over it with SEPHORA again because I wanted a little bit deeper, dustier of a color, and sometimes you just got to put in work. So now I'm just blending everything all back out, making everything really pretty again, and then taking SEPHORA on my lower lash line as well. And you know what I noticed? There is not a lot of fallout from these shadows. I was really shocked because I get so much fallout with their shadows. And obviously we're cutting the crease using the P. Louise eye base, and I'm only taking that about 3/4 of the way in. And then on the outer corner area, I'm using Cupcake, which is a gorgeous purple, gorgeous, gorgeous purple. And I'm leaving the top part kind of light open so that I can take Barb, which is probably my favorite color in this one. It is so shimmery and it looks pinky in the pan, and it really kind of is more silvery, but then it's got these really pretty like greeny colored reflex and gold reflex. I don't know. I can't explain this color. It is just phenomenal and gives you that wet, wet look on your eye. So beautiful. And then I'm using that on the lower lash line inner corner as well. And just going back over with SEPHORA and Yugo, just blending everything all back together. And obviously lining the lashes with some black liner. And I wish I would have left the lower lash line with a cream liner, but I didn't. I used a black liner, so it turned out okay. And then obviously mascara before the falsies. And obviously using Morphe Lashes because they're my favorite in the style Santa Monica. And here is the final look, you guys. I did such a quick look with it, but oh my God, this is literally my favorite ABH palette in a long time. And I'm not including the Norvina ones because I love those ones as well. But out of the ABH palettes, this is my favorite. Well, anyways, I hope you guys like this short, quick little eye tutorial review on this palette. It's amazing. Go pick it up. I have so much more makeup to show you guys this week, so I will be back soon. Love you. Bye.